Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, I want to show you this here, man, how a motor operates and how do you tell exactly how to wire it. With 29 years of experience, over 50,000 golf carts fixed, I'm going to show you the way I learned when I first started doing this, how I taught myself to figure it out. And that way maybe you can help you out, or you can just take it and twist it your way how you want to do it. Now, if you look at your motor here, you know you got these are your brush housings here. This is your field winding. So these here are your directional changes. This is where you change direction at. This here, if it wants reverse, it sends voltage this way, goes around, comes out. If it wants the other direction, it sends it here and comes out the other way. Now, this is your brushes here. A1, A2, S1, S. If you put these backwards, when you put it forward, it'll run reverse. And when you put it reverse, it'll run forward. If you flip these backwards, you might see a difference in power in one direction. But the last thing you want to do is put this wire here and this wire here, and then wire it just like it should be, because as soon as you hit that gas, you're frying the controller. All right, so remember this here. This is your field winding. This is your directional. This is what changes direction from the controller. This is your motor brush. This is where your hot and ground comes in at, gives it power to start spinning the motor, all right? Now, which direction it wants to go is depending on which one of these voltage comes in at. That's what changes it to reverse or forward, all right? That's how you change direction, and that's how a motor works, all right? The main thing is I'll never flip these here. That's the main thing, all right? Forward and reverse, power to the motor, ground hot. All right, stay tuned, man. I'll post some more. Hope you like it, man. Let me know if you need help. Question below. Hey, hey, hey.